Her silhouette in silver smoke. They followed her beyond the glow and left her spirit bruised and broke. But shadows teach a sharper will. She rose with fire in her stare, a quiet oath, a frozen chill, a vow that cut through midnight air. Midnight redress, drifting through the city haze. She moves like judgment in a slow and deadly sway. One by one, they feel the echo of her name. A ghost in heels, returning all their shame. Midnight redress, every step a fatal hymn. The hunted never see her closing in. The first one heard her footsteps fall, a lounge room rhythm soft and low. The second met a curtain call where brass notes flickered cold as snow. The third one saw a phantom grin reflected in a shattered glass. The last one prayed for dawn again, but dawn refused to let him pass. Midnight redress, drifting through the city haze. She moves like judgment in a slow and deadly sway. One by one, they feel the echo of her name. A ghost in heels, returning all their shame. Midnight redress, every step a fatal hymn. The hunted never see her closing in. Piano keys like falling rain, brass horns crying in the dark. Her vengeance never speaks a name, just leaves a silence.